What's up, y'all? Y'all already know what time it is, man. What's up? I'm happy to see you guys, man. I'm back on it again. I haven't been on here for a while, you know what I'm saying? So I'm trying to get back into it. Once again, you know what time it is, man. It's the Power Manifestation Walk. You know what this channel's about. This channel's about dealing with the stocks and, trying to give out positive vibes to the public so we could reciprocate that with each other and things like that. I'll be honest, you know what I'm saying? This is my, first time really trying to get my walk on. I mean, I took a nice little walk the other day because, the Power Manifestation walks, they very powerful, man. I'm just being thankful, man. Thankful and being truly blessed right now on taking this walk with you guys at this present moment. So I'm sharing my time with you guys, and then remember that health is wealth, right? So we got to keep that mindset. So this walk is definitely refreshing for me. Like I said, I haven't been keeping up with my walks. I try to do like 10,000 steps a day. But I haven't been doing it lately. So just trying to get myself warmed back up again and making this thing happen, So, yeah, so that's about it. So now I'm taking a nice little walk. I'm about to start my day. It's going to be a work day for me. And we're going to just try to get to this bag in a positive way and things of that nature, I do transportation services, and I'm in the logistics business. So everything's all good with that. So yeah, I just wanted to talk to the people. Just a couple of things on my mind concerning having a proper mental space with yourself and things of that nature. I know we all go through our ups and downs and things of that nature, but at the same time, we always got to keep positive, you might run into a situation, when some, like outside circumstances might make you feel a certain way, and then you want to start getting a little negative, and you like, this, person here is this and that, or, or why stuff couldn't be like this or whatever and things like that. So we gotta just leave that stuff alone and just talk positive at all times. Like, I look at it like this. It's another thought that came to my mind. It's just like, all right, why? I mean, I'm not only talking about for you guys and gals. I'm talking about for myself. Like, why are you gonna send out a bad report? You know what I'm saying? Because the world is like a 360, right? So our words coming out our mouths, you know what I'm saying, is gonna recycle back to us anyways. So I look at it like this. How about we always talk good reports, right? Because you want to get a good report, right? Like, it's like when you go to the doctor, you want to get a good report. You know what I'm saying, about your health, right? So why don't we try to do this and just send out a good report every day, you know what I mean, from our mouths, you know what I'm saying, about what's going on in our lives. Send out a good report, and the world will recycle that back to you. A good report. If we keep on sending out bad reports every day, complaining, saying this and that, or whatever it might be, what's the world gonna do? Reciprocate that back. And that's what it is. So like now, like for me, I'm gonna do my best to always send out a good report. You know what I'm saying? Whatever that's going on in my life, I'm gonna talk positive. You know what I'm saying? And things like that. So the same things could be reciprocated back to me. You know, it's just like when put it like this. It's just like when you go to church, right? Or you go, you know what I'm saying? I don't know what your belief systems are out there. You know, whatever. You go, say for instance, you go to church, and then I'm just gonna speak about something that, you know, I'm familiar with. Like, you go to church, the pastor's talking good, you know, talking how God, you know what I'm saying, is going to do this for you, do that for you. Whatever you're going through, God is going to bless it and things like that or whatever. All that stuff is just good report. You know what I'm saying? It's all good report. You know what I'm saying? And check it out. This is why I like the churches is open. And when these good reports is being said, guess what? There's collection. When the pastor pass out the collection plate, people be putting their hard-earned money in the collection plate because they feel like that money is gonna be blessed. They're gonna get it in return and stuff like that, right? All right, cool. So that's about it. All right, so let's talk about the stocks real quick. So you already know what this channel is about: power manifestation, health is wealth. You know, and things of that nature. 10,000 steps a day. We're going to keep it moving. That's it. All right, so let's talk about the stock. So right now, I'm in Mara. That's MARA. I seen Bitcoin was pushing up very aggressively. So I'm seeing that Bitcoin is having some bullish signs. So Mara, it's something that you trade if you feel like Bitcoin is going to push up. And, you know, if you want to short Mara, if you feel Bitcoin is going to go down, then you could short it too at the same time. All right, so that's what I got right now. And I also got Intel right now, as far as the options call. Yeah, so that expires next week. So we're going to see what happens. So I think everything should be good with that trade. Everything should be good with the Mara trade. And there's another trade that I'm in. Also, it's LUNR. LUNR. That's a space, like a space company where they deal with setting things into orbit and things like that. They just got a contract, which is a multi-million or billion-dollar contract. So, but the thing is, I think everything's good with that. But that contract expires this week right here on Friday. So I'm trying to sell either today or tomorrow. I might even sell today because depending on how the stock moves today, hopefully it does move in my favor. I should get rid of it today. I got in like at a little high price, so I don't know if I want to carry it into expiration. So we'll see what happens today with that. So that's what's going on. The market is bullish. The Fed rate, the Fed cut, the whatever they call that. Yeah, the Fed did a cut, a 0.50 cut on the interest rates. Yeah, that's what it is. The interest rates, right? So that's a good thing for the market. So, yeah, so everything looks good. They tried to play games yesterday. After the Fed rate decision, the market went up, and then all of a sudden it went down. It just tanked out of nowhere towards the end of the session, and now it's right back up to where it was at yesterday, when after the Fed rate decision came out. The Nasdaq shot up to 19,900, and then they shorted it back down to like 19,600, just like that. And then today overnight, in the pre-market and everything is back up to 19,900 and change right now, 19,930, 930 and stuff like that. So they just be playing games, you know. The market, the Wall Street always playing games with people and things like that. But shout out 2K Trader. It's okay though. We're gonna get that money anyways. All right, peace out, y'all. Let's make it happen. Health is wealth. 10,000 steps a day, baby. Let's do it.